What's up, everybody? I'm going to show you all how we made a ton of money trading DELL right now. Let's get into it. So first of all, we took this trade based on two main forms of analysis: technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis is the charts. So it's what levels did we see, what did we see on the charts. Fundamental analysis is something that's happening in the news, something that's happening in the real world that affects the price of the stock. So we had a big news event that actually happened while we were in the trade. So I'll talk to you all about that and I'll explain it to you. So first of all, we're going to look at the technical analysis behind this trade. So why did we get in this trade? So this was a gap fill trade. We had this gap up here. A gap is the distance between where price closes and then where it opens up the next day. So you can see right here, this is where price closed. This is where it opened up the next day. So we had a gap and we expected that price was going to come up and fill that gap. So price is going to come up, touch that gap that we created. So that's exactly what price did. So this is where we got into the options, right? So we got into the calls right around here and we got out of them right around here. So these calls were provided as an options alert to all of our premium members. So our options analyst literally sent out an alert in premium that said DELL calls with the exact expiration date, with the exact strike price, with the exact price of the contract, and premium members were able to get in on this trade exactly when it was ready to go. And then they were also able to get out of this trade when it was ready to go, which I'll show you all in a second. That is the technical analysis behind this trade. I'm now going to show you the fundamental analysis behind this trade. The fundamental analysis behind this trade is huge. So keep in mind, this post happened while we were already in the trade. We got in this trade on Tuesday. This was posted yesterday. So this is Michael Dell. Michael Dell is the founder of DELL, and he says that he is building a DELL AI factory with NVIDIA to power Grok for XAI with Elon Musk. So he's working with Elon Musk and NVIDIA to build a DELL AI factory. Now keep in mind, this happened while we were already in call options for DELL. So everybody got this news. Our options analyst provided this news to everybody the second it happened, and they're able to see, okay, that's really good news. Our contracts are likely going to be up a ton today because yesterday the market was closed, today the market's opened. So they saw that and everybody goes, we're going to make a ton of money. So that's the technical analysis right here, and the fundamental analysis is that DELL is literally building an AI factory with the largest chip provider in the world, NVIDIA and Elon Musk. So now we're going to go into Discord and we're going to look at some profits from our premium members on this exact same trade. So first of all, let's start all the way at the top. We have a lot of profits today, so it's going to take me a second to scroll all the way up. Still going, still going. Here we go. So we're going to start with the beginning. So Liho made $987. This was on a futures trade that I called out on the live stream this morning inside of the premium community. O'Reilly made $625. That was on the live stream as well. And Nico made $464 trading that DELL option. Nick made around $200, right? So around $160 on that trade. My man Janjo made $1,100 on that exact same DELL trade. This is all today. Josh made $284 from that DELL trade, bringing his account up 10%. Another Josh made $495 trading NVIDIA, so he was profiting from that same fundamental event we just talked about. So my man Premium Jinx made $260. He's up $205 here, but he said he sold at $260. Winston turned $160 into $760 in, he said, about 5 minutes. So that's a nice account gain, and it shows you don't need a big account. You just need to find good, high-quality setups. People always ask me, how much money do I need to start trading? The right question is, how can I find A-plus setups that will allow me to grow a little bit of money into a lot of money? So this is my man Milo DeFlippa. He made $400 on that trade. My man Tommy comes in with a beautiful profit of $270 on that exact same DELL trade. Right here, you can see this is the DELL trade. Emilio made $693 off of that DELL trade. Wonderful, wonderful. Manto with $950. He took that same exact trade that I took in the live stream. My man Cypher made $200. Jill made around $228. 24 made $3,272 today from that exact same DELL position we just talked about. Fernie made $208 off of the DELL trade. This is awesome. Czoot made $10,600, bringing his account up 165% from that DELL, that exact same trade on DELL. So Czoot made $10,000 this morning from that exact same trade on DELL that I just talked to you about. Space said my game plan was 100% accurate. So if you don't know, every single morning, I'll actually show you. I send out a full game plan for exactly what I'm going to do in the futures market, and it's always very, very, very accurate. And our premium members follow the game plan, and they're able to make a lot of money. So Space made $1,100 following this game plan. O'Reilly made another $500 off the break and retest that I called out. So he's up $1,500 for the day. David is one of our other analysts. He sent out a nice alert today, so some people are sharing some profits from that. My man Buddha, who I work with one-on-one, he's a lifetime premium member. So if you're a lifetime premium member, you get direct access to me to work with me one-on-one. And I've been helping him out with some risk management tips. So he kept his risk management good, and he made $50. So beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. I love to see that. Nick made $220 on the Nike trade that David sent out. My man Mike made $4,000, $4,150 trading DELL. So he said he made over $4,000 in one day. He made 270% profit from that options trade, so that's a nice account gain. Garrett grew his account by 98%, so pretty much doubled his account and made $362 from that exact same DELL trade. Cypher made $140. Pierogi is trading futures. He made $1,400. And then my man Thinkless made a 245% gain, making around $1,000, so a little under $1,000. Fairchild is trading some Forex. He made $4,000, so that's a beautiful trade as well. Dark Mob made $116. Acomfar made $497 off of that exact same DELL trade that I just showed you. My man Simon is making a lot of money with futures. He sent a full video to the community to let people know how he's trading. He sent a full trade recap, trade breakdown. First ever options trade, $26 profit for Buggleman. That's awesome. Rain for Ages grew his account by 216% just today, making $412 in profit. My man Quatlow made $1,000 off of 3 DELL contracts. So Gavo Smith made $1,300. Pierogi ends the day with $1,700 profit. Very, very nice. T-Money, $40. So that's what we do. We make money. It was a great day in premium. Every single day, we're out here, we're making money. I'm gonna give you a little tour of what we're doing inside of the premium community. So let's start at something that not many people know about. We actually have a full course inside of premium. So the second you buy premium, you get full access to a full course that starts at the very, very basic. So if you're somebody who's never traded before and you're watching this and you're wondering, what does this stuff mean? This is for you, because we have a full introduction. So the introduction is literally a video of me explaining exactly how trading works from a very, very basic level. So it's completely beginner friendly. It's not only beginner friendly, it was actually designed with beginners in mind. So I go step by step. I start at a very, very basic level. I break everything down into a very simple way to understand. Second lesson is the art of the chart. So I'm teaching you how to use the chart. I'm teaching you what software you need, what brokers you need, all that good stuff. And then we also have a full lesson on mindset. We have a full lesson on my strategy. It's literally a complete guide on how my strategy works. And I also give you a template on how to build your own trading plan, which is right here. So if you're in premium, you can download that. I talk about liquidity. And then we also have a full guide, how I enter trades, how I place zones. We have full PDFs for all the lessons. And then we also have a full blueprint to becoming a profitable trader. So this is literally another full course that's inside of premium with me explaining exactly how to become a profitable trader and exactly how I did it and how you can do it. Then we have a guide on money motive strategy. So we also have David's alerts. So David is one of our analysts. He sends alerts for futures and for options. We have the game plan every single morning. We went over that already, but I send out the game plan every single morning. I also do a live stream inside of the live stream lounge every single morning in premium. And then we have the options alerts, which is what we just went over. So we'll actually go through and look at that. So this was when the DELL trade was sent out. You can see it's sent out on the 18th, and then today is the 20th. And if you look right here, DELL is up 200%. So both of these alerts were sent to all of our premium members, so they were able to get in and capitalize on those trades. This is our watch list where we send out 2 liquidity levels for multiple stocks. We send out levels for SPY, for QQQ, and we send out levels for other stocks. So DELL, Palo Alto Networks, all that good stuff, and we send out what we expect price to do. So if price goes over 154, we expect it to go to 170. And if SPY goes below 540, we expect it to go to 537 and below. And then we also have a chat, which I think is the most valuable part of premium, where everybody is helping each other out. Everybody is sharing what they're doing. They're talking with each other. They're updating each other on the markets. They're encouraging. You can see, sweet, let's go. Everybody's positive, right? It's good vibes. Great vibes. So that is how we made a ton of money on DELL. If you'd like to join the premium community, the link is in the bio, so you can join right now. We are open at the moment, so you can join using the link in bio. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.